Hello everyone. In our previous video, we just discussed about the different types of keywords in Python programming. Now we are going to learn the very basic concept that is the literals in Python programming. It is just like it is also a basic concept, but we must need this concept over here. Yeah, in our further programming, in order to improve our further programming skills, we also need to have some knowledge about the literals in Python programming. Yeah, literals in Python programming. In Python programming, literals are the datas that are specified in the variable. For example, if we specify some variables over a literals, any number or sign, like any literal a, b, c, d, e, f, and that can be from a to z over there. Yeah, just taking an example for a string literal. Yeah, there are different types of literal. We are going to discuss each of them over here. String literal. Yeah, for this, at first we are just taking the example of a string literal. Let us take some value t is equals to, let us take in a single quote, hi, good morning. Let us try to good morning. Good morning. Yeah, now we are just printing our value t. This is what about the single double quoted string literals for a single line. Yeah, single string literal for a single line. Now we are running our code. We will just get a result as a hi, good morning. This is here. T is as a literal because T is the literal. It is a letter value that is under A to Z. Yeah, hi, good morning. It is printed over our screen. So this is just about the string literal. This is of a first type. Yeah, now we are just trying to get same value t, but we are using a double quote over here. Yeah, and writing backslash n. This backslash n always create a new line for our printing statement over there. Yeah, backslash n. This is first line. Yeah, this is a first line. This is a first line, and we are just printing our value over here as print t. Then we are running our code, just getting an example with one space in a line over here, and just this is our first line. We can also write a different multiple variables, multiple line at the same time by using the triple quote. For this, we are just using a triple quote. Let us assign t that uses triple quote over here. Yeah, now we can write our program. This is first line over here for literal, line for literals. This is second line. This is second line for literals. Yeah, literals, and this is our third third line for literal. This is our third line, and similarly there are other lines too. We are just going to print this statement. If you print, we can see over there the multiple lines comment under the value of a t. Yeah, just going to print our value, print t over here. We are using same t from beginning to last, but after assigning this t over here, this is our latest t for this print statement. Also, this is our latest t for this print, and this is our latest t for this print. So they individually get displayed over what is assigned in their previous code. Yeah, now we are just running our program. just debugging and running it. Now we can see our result. Yeah, we can see our multiple line result over here. Yeah, it's too easy, but literals are also the basic concept and they are important concept over a programming. Now we are done with a string literal. Now we are going to start our numeric literal. Let us take a value. A is equals to 5 over here. Sorry, A is equals to 5 over B is equals to 10.2 dimension 1 plus 2j 1.5j, yeah, and 1.5j, and the value of b as 1 plus a, yeah 1 plus a, yeah. So we are now printing, we are printing our value of a and b over here. Print our value of a and b just happen without assigning our type. Yeah, 1.5j is displayed over here and 1 plus 1.5j is displayed. That is our two-dimensional code. It is a two-dimensional figure that we generally use in mathematics. Also we call it a complex figure over here. Yeah, it is of complex type. Now we are going to learn about another types of literals in Python, that is Boolean literal. Boolean literal. It generally holds only two values. One is true, and another is false and false. Yeah, there are basically two values, that is one and another is true and another is one is true and another is false. Let us assign some value. Yeah, 15. This is just our false statement, and just we are going to print. We are just going to print out our value. Let us assign this as in some value over here. L is equals to 12 is greater than 15. Just writing over here L, and then trying for a less than 15 and printing this value of L. Then we must get result false at the first and true at second, because they are the Boolean literal which give our value in true or either false. Now we are just running our code. Straight. Yeah. At first it is giving our value result as false and then true, because 12 is always less than 15. It is not greater than 15. This condition is false, so it get false result, and this condition is true over here, so we get a true result here. Now we are also done with the Boolean literals that are either the true or false. Now we are literals in list of literals. Just in our previous session we have discussed about the data types list. In list we just use different values of different data, just using some string rows, and now we are just giving some number over here, integer number 11, 1.12, just up to this for this list. Yeah. Now we can print this list as it is declared in a form of literal, which we can print just L and run and check our result. We will get our list over there that can be of multiple data type. Yeah, it is just over there, and we can also add, subtract, multiply and other thing over here, just printing L plus L. Yeah, just adding this twice, then you will get these numbers twice a time over a result. Let us see. Yeah, we are getting this twice as a result, just recurring. If you just multiply this 15 times, we will get this result of 15 times. We will get this result 15 times. If we just assign \n over here, then it will create a new line, and this will assign for 15 times. Just this can't be happen because \n is only used inside the string, so we can use it here but not outside of the string. Just run it. What is happening? Yeah, this will run. This gives our result 15 times. You can see it over here. Yeah, this is just about the different types of literals in Python. So I think you all got a concept about the literal in a Python. Basically, literals in a Pythons are those which are used in order to store the variables value. Yeah. Now in our next tutorial we are going to discuss about the pointers in Python. It is most important topic over the programming, that is a pointer, how to assess a pointer, how to use it, why pointer is used in programming, and so on. Stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching us. Thank you.